Hello traders, this is Dave with the Right Line Compass Options Trading Room, and I just was going to doing a brief video on a couple of the trades we took this week. Just wanted to go over the setup and how we use the Compass system to find these high probability trade setups and get an extremely high win rate on these. So we'll just briefly cover a couple of trades. Here's a disclaimer, the usual disclaimer. All the signals and trading opportunities we provide here at Right Line and the Compass system are for educational and demonstration purposes only. Trading is risky, so you should never trade with more money you can afford to lose. And neither myself or Right Line are licensed financial advisors, so we won't be giving financial advice. Just to briefly cover what we look for with the Compass system in our options room for intraday trades and some short-term swing trades. We look for highest probability trade setups and we trade those. And this is a criteria that we use. But you may not understand some of these, but we're breaking out of a dynamic compression zone that the software actually creates. We look to use Heikin-Achi reversal candles and etc. We use the Compass system to tell us when the trades are set up, which you'll see here in just a minute when we look at the chart. So this is one of the trades we took this week, Apple. And this is a daily chart on Apple. And this is the Compass system here. This is the indicators on the Compass system. We have 4 different indicators here on these horizontal lines. And they're telling us that this is what's called the quant line. This tells us the other stocks that trade in the same direction as Apple are also trading that way. This is what's called a multi-time frame gear or oscillator that we use on the Compass system. We strip out the divergence. We just use momentum. So this tells us what the momentum is over multiple time frames. It's what's called the triple screen. And this line right here is the Laguerre oscillator or the momentum oscillator for the current time frame. In this case, it would be daily. And this is the bias, the confirmation of the stock over a period of time. And this is what we look for on the Compass system to find the highest probability trades. And this little shaded area that you can see here is a little hard to see, but it's green. This is what's called a dynamic compression zone that the Right Line system, the Compass system by Right Line, this is actually created on intraday charts. It's created during the day. It comes and goes. It only tells you when that particular compression zone is active. This is where this compression zone is active right here. And this is where it was breaking out of this compression zone on this candlestick right here, which was on 729, which is where we entered. We rode it up until right here where we get out on the 4th. We get out of Apple and made a nice profit on that. And again, you can see how easy it is to identify the highest probability trade setups when you see these compression zones with all of the Compass information, all the indicators in the Compass system lined up green for you. There's other indicators on here. I'm not going to go into them. It'd take a long time to cover them all, but they all help us decide these high probability trades and when we should take them, and that's what we wait for. And those are the trades that the probability of is at least 9 out of 10. About 9 out of 10 times the work, 90% win rate, which is pretty extraordinary. But again, this is the Compass system. Just kind of wanted you to see what it looks like. This is on the Compass system on the Thinkorswim chart. It's also available on Ninja 8 and TD Ameritrade, and coming on a couple of other platforms very soon in the next couple of weeks. MetaTrader 4. This is another trade that we did this week. Now this is a 5-minute chart on Texas Instruments, and again, you can see that there was a compression zone that had formed right here on the 5-minute chart. They come and go once the compression zone breaks out and another one starts to form. It disappears, so it doesn't just stay on the chart. So it's very dynamic. So when you see it in real time, that's when you would look to get in. So this is where we get in on this trade. Again, you can see that all of the Compass information is lined up on the chart. We have a beautiful trade right here. This is a Heikin-Achi candle for anybody who understands Heikin-Achi candles. And this is where we get into the trade and move a little sideways for a little bit, and then it started popping up and moved up very nicely. And this is what we get out of the trade right here. And again, you notice that everything stayed green all the way across this whole period of time that we're in this trade. So all of the compass information was telling us that this was a buy and you could stay in the trade, which we did. And again, this was a nice trade for about 27% but maybe an hour, maybe a little less than an hour actually, that we were in that trade. So that's how the compass system works. That's some of the trades we took this week, and I just wanted to make folks aware of that and see how we trade this, how successfully every single day. So again, this was just a SPY chart I put on here. This is the SPY daily chart, which shows that we've gotten above the 100-day moving average here, and we stayed above it for 3 days so far. So we'll see what happens on Monday. If the market continues on up, we've got the 100-day here, it's blue. We've got the 50 down here, which is going through, and we've got the 200 above here. So we're bouncing up above the 100. We'll see if it stays there. So anyway, that's I just wanted to go over these trades with the compass system. The compass system, if you're not familiar with it, is produced by Rightline, and it's extremely effective for day trading or swing trading. It makes it so easy to find high probability trade setups, and you just wait for them and trade them. And we have great success with that. So again, appreciate it, and we'll be back in the next few days. I'll do a couple more videos on some of the trades we're taking with the setup, so that you can get familiar with the compass system and how it works.